Am I the only one that didn't know thyme was once used to boost courage? Yup, this humble herb has a storied past. Thyme's history reads like an epic tale. Ancient Egyptians used it for embalming, while Greeks believed it boosted bravery. In medieval times, knights received thyme to symbolize courage. Beyond legends, thyme is a kitchen superstar. It's a key player in Middle Eastern za'atar and French herbes de Provence. Fresh or dried, thyme packs a flavorful punch in any dish. Want to grow your own? Thyme loves sunny spots and well-drained soil. Plus, it's drought-tolerant, perfect for beginner gardeners. But wait, there's more. Thyme's essential oils, like thymol, are antiseptic powerhouses. That's why you'll find it in mouthwashes like Listerine. So whether you're cooking up a storm or looking for natural health boosts, thyme is your go-to herb. Dive into the world of thyme and let its magic spice up your life.